strange is this evening hour in the forest. Carven domes of green are the trees' that pathway. Infinite shadowy eyes lie silent before me. Summer is heavy with age and leans upon autumn. All the land is ripe. There is no motion. Down the long bays of blue that those cloudy headlines sleep above in the glow of a fading sunset. All things rest in the wheel of purpose, triumphant. Outer lies melting into a vague immensity. Fade. The green gloom grows darker, and deeper the dusk.
Nature, death, raining, living, loving, lonely, blue, thinking.
Hark, a voice and a lover, the living and the loving. Down the fantastic avenues pass, like